Hello! I'm your Korean amiga. 나는 너의 한국 친구야. 안녕! And next is the double vowels. In Korean, vowels can be combined with additional letters like so. So, here, this is the combined form of a and e. A and e. So, it sounds in between or the combined sound. In, in. This is the combined form of ya and e. Ya and e. So it also sounds in between and combined way. Yeah, yegi. This is also the combined form of and e. And e. So it also sounds in between and the combined sound and e. So energy. This is also the combined form of ya and e. It sounds in between and the combined sound like 예쁘다. This is the combined form of o and a. It sounds in between and the combined sound wa. So wa in. This is the combined form of o and a and e. O and a. So it sounds also in between and the combined sound like we. It is also the combined form of O and E. So it sounds in between and the combined sounds 외국어. This is a combined form of U and O. War. Workshop. And this is also the combined form of U and E. So basically U and O and E. So it sounds in between and the combined sound 외. Waiter. And this is also the combined form of U and E. So it sounds in between and combine the sound of U and E. So let's hear it. We. hum. And lastly, this is also the combined form of U and E. So it sounds in between and the combined sound of U and E. So let's hear the sound.
의사.
So theoretically, the romanization of the Korean vowels are like so. But as time has passed by since the Hangul was invented, now the difference of the syllable e and e, ye and ye. And we have disappeared. Especially the younger generation in Korea doesn't distinguish each letter. So all in all, if you just pronounce the letters that has a similar sound as the same, it doesn't really matter. People in Korea will not find any problem to understand that. Well, actually, to be honest, I don't hear the difference either. Okay, this is it for today. So I will bring another lesson that you can learn the Korean consonant in the next video. So what? Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please hit the like button. Okay, this is it for today, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!